Hi, this is Sal here. In today's video, we will talk about user interface and viewports features in 3ds Max 2010. When opening Max 2010 for the first time, the original color of Max theme by the geometrically changes that has been made of the overall color and shading in the interface, designed to bring the software a little more in line with the look and feel of Autodesk's many other applications. The interface color change is just one of several areas of the program that has been revamped, with the pull-down menu no longer begins off the left side with the came here file commands. Functions such as open and save are now included as part of the application menu, while other file types controls are organized within Quick Access toolbar. Both the application menu and the Quick Access toolbar has been detailed in our next Quick Access toolbar video. Now just as the side notification look at the view something you rendered. Be aware with the view image file command is now has been relocated under the rendering pull down. The main toolbar is also gone through a few changes, with the undo and redo commands making the way into a quick access toolbar and the brand new graphite modeling ribbon, considered by many is the most exciting new feature in 3ds Max 2010. Having its quick here to open icon position far right. To see the how ribbon works, go to our What's New in 3ds Max 2010 section to watch the ribbon videos. You will also notice all the viewports controls have taken a new look, with the command menu is now has been divided into separate categories, each being accessed by a simple click of the mouse. So a lot of the changes on the first look. You will probably need a little time to snoop around, initially find a few things you used to seeing in other places. But honestly think with a little time in the patience, you will truly come to appreciate the new layout and design.